If you're experiencing billing issues on Binance, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process and find a solution. Step 1. Identify the problem. Determine the specific billing issue you are facing. This could include incorrect charges, failed transactions, or issues with deposits and withdrawals. Having a clear understanding of the problem will help you address it more efficiently. Step 2. Check your account. Log into your Binance account and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or errors in your billing statements. Make sure to check the payment method used and ensure that all details are correct. Step 3. Consult the Help Center. Visit the Binance Help Center for information related to billing issues. Search for relevant articles or FAQs that might address your specific problem. This resource can provide guidance and potential solutions without needing to contact support. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Binance customer support. Use the support ticket system or live chat feature to explain your billing problem in detail. Provide any necessary documentation or screenshots to help them understand your situation better. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your inquiry, keep track of your support ticket. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. Persistence can help expedite the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your billing problems on Binance. Remember to stay patient and thorough in your communications with support for the best results.